Welcome to 18th Century Cooking. I'm your host, John Townsend. Today, special guest, Michael Dragoo. And Michael's brought in a fun recipe. Yep. This one's asparagus with a special sauce. It ought to be great.
It's gonna be great.
Thanks for joining us today as we savor the flavors and the aromas of the 18th century. So, Michael found this recipe in the Cooks and Confectionery Dictionary. John, not 1723. Yep. Let's see. Asparagus with butter. Boil your asparagus in water with a little salt. Take care they're not boiled too much. That's kind of a rarity in these recipes. Usually they turn them to
mush.
Yeah, exactly. When they're done, set them a draining. Lay them in a dish. A sauce must be butter, salt, vinegar, nutmeg, or white pepper.
Of course, we're here, so it's going to be nutmeg.
Yeah, exactly. And the yolk of an egg to thicken it. Keep it constantly stirring, so this should thicken up as we have it go. Then pour it on the asparagus, serve it up. Sounds good.
That's it.
I think asparagus needs a sauce, doesn't it?
It doesn't touch my lips unless it's full of cheese
Okay,
or something.
so let's get these boiling up.
Will do.
So the asparagus is boiling up.
Yep.
The sauce.
Sauce is simple. It's just some butter.
Okay.
We're not going to go nuts here.
Good.
It's got an egg yolk.
Egg
I'm
yolk.
going to use that for thickening.
Okay. There it
and
is.
Some vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
Some nutmeg.
Vinegar.
Go nuts with your nutmeg.
How much vinegar do you want?
Enough, I think,
yeah, not that much.
Yep.
Nutmeg.
Yep.
That's going to make it good.
And some
I think
salt.
asparagus and nutmeg would go together.
That ship has not
There we
yet
go.
set sail.
And how much salt?
I would be a little generous because we got
Oh,
asparagus
yeah, there you
here.
go. Is that enough?
Yep. We're just going to get this on the fire and.
Pan's already hot, so it's starting to melt. Good.
Yep.
And then we just kind of warm this up, and that egg is going to thicken it up.
Yep.
But we have to be careful, or else we turn it into
scrambled eggs.
No, we don't want that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I wasn't excited about asparagus when we first looked at this recipe, but now I think it's actually going to be super good.
I do too.
So let's dig into this.
Let's do it. Shall we?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that sauce.
Vinegar.
Yeah.
Butter. Salt.
Hurry up.
I like it. I like that very much.
That sauce is perfect for asparagus. I was really skeptical. It really thickened up nicely. And the vinegar is perfect. Normally it's like, oh no, not vinegar.
Yeah,
vinegar and butter. And then of course, you get the nutmeg and the other things in here.
Yeah. You've got an egg yolk to thicken the sauce.
Yeah.
I'd be careful when you're preparing the sauce to just constantly keep moving it because it's gonna scramble otherwise. This is great.
This has got to be the best way to do asparagus. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I like it. I don't like asparagus.
It is super. This one, I tell you, is a must-do.
Yeah, it's very good.
Even if you're not an asparagus fan, I think this will convert you. It is so good. 1723.
Yep.
Amazing recipe. Thank you, Michael, for finding this one. You didn't know it was going to do this, did you?
I didn't try it until I got here.
See, this one turned out great. Sometimes they'll surprise you.
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you for bringing this one, Michael. Thanks for coming along and helping us out today. If you're interested in especially another asparagus recipe, this one is from season 2. You're going to love this asparagus in a French roll.
Yep.